Let's learn E on the trumpet. The first thing we should do is try to buzz it on our mouthpieces. So listen carefully and try to match the pitch with your buzz. 1, 2, 3, and buzz. E is located on the first line of the treble clef staff. On trumpet, we play this with our first and our second valve, and we also kick out the first valve tuning slide just a bit because this note tends to be sharp. Let's get some practice playing this note.